Coming from the construction industry itself, I am a civil engineer by education. I have done my bachelor's in civil engineering, also done my master's in construction project management. I worked in the construction industry for around 10 years before joining the IT solutions side of the industry. I believe I'm still in the industry, just on the different side of the table now. But while working in the construction industry, I worked in different roles, starting off as a site engineer, but then moved into project scheduling, planning, and project controls. And when I left the industry, I was working with a tier one contractor as a projects planning and scheduling manager, managing the entire portfolio of the company at that time. And in the solutions side, I have worked close to around 1.5 years. Before joining InEight, I was working with another company in a similar kind of a role. uh, that's me. To be honest, not really. In when I was like in school in my early days, I wanted to be a doctor all the time. But there was an incident, I would say, that kind of changed my mind and developed curiosity towards going into the construction industry. It was during the last year of my senior school. We were preparing for the final exams, and there was a massive earthquake in my home country, and it was really a devastating one which killed thousands of people and damaged a lot of properties. People lost their homes, and electricity, water utilities were not there even for a week almost. So that really changed my mind from going to the construction industry, trying to understand how we can build better infrastructure, better homes that can save lives from these natural disasters. So that was, I would say, kind of a turning point in my life where I inclined towards going into the construction industry. Yeah, I think if we look at the construction industry before I go into my role now in InEight, I think construction industry has always been my favorite once I joined it, because I think the projects we do there touch everyone's lives. So construction industry is related to everyone who's living on this earth, directly or indirectly. The roads we use, the homes we live in, schools, the hospitals, all those things. And being a part of this industry, building this industry out for the people, improving the lives of the people, that's what really was my passion when I was working in the industry. And currently it hasn't changed. Actually, what has changed is that I'm sitting at the other side of the table and now trying to help our construction clients to do better, to build better, build it in time and within the quality, to improve the lives of the people. So I think helping our clients to get the best business outcomes with our solutions is really exciting for me. That's what gets me out of the bed every day, to go and help our construction clients to do better business in construction. Construction industry is quite diverse. I mean, we know typically most of the people think about engineers and architects and contractors or tradespeople when they think about the construction industry. But it's really a diverse industry, and people with different set of skills, with different passions, do come and integrate in the industry. For example, you could be good in contract negotiations or delay analysis, or you could be good in IT solutions. So there are diverse skills that can be used in the construction industry. So if your passion is like being in the industry, helping the people in the industry to do better and improving the life quality of the people overall. So you can be there with your different skill set. It doesn't need to be a tradesperson or an engineer or an architect. For example, for me, I was always interested in IT, although my education was in civil engineering. So now I am sitting in a place where I am like living a life, we can say, good of both worlds. I am still interacting with clients from the construction industry. I'm helping them with the solutions that improve the industry, but my skill set currently is related to IT solutions. So definitely you have a career there, and it would be really rewarding and challenging at the same time with your diverse skill sets. You do not need to be an engineer or architect or a tradesperson only to be in the industry. You can have diverse skills or education and be a part of this industry.